You recorded?
Yes, sir. You always need my help, man. You can't be independent. Tell me to stop. Why are you making so much noise? Why are you making so much noise? Damn, he's aggressive, man. Mira. Nah, anda muy agresivo, ¿no? Con la máquina. Pretty long day. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We haven't been working for I'd say about 2 weeks now, because we got that snowstorm. There's snow on the ground, so I haven't been scheduling any jobs, but we're getting really backed up, so we're gonna go ahead and start a deck job today. And so I have Marcos and Lupe coming in today for the deck job. I'm also having Kat coming in so he can help me organize a little. And tomorrow my fence guys are gonna start a job, hopefully, and we'll start knocking out some of these jobs that have been backed up for a while. What we're gonna do, I have the trailer with the deck package loaded. We're gonna go drop off that trailer at the job site, and then we're gonna head to the yard and pick up a machine to dig the footers, and we're picking Kat up there as well. Hopefully we'll make it at the job with the machine around 7:30, and we'll get some footers dug. So let's go drop off this trailer for now, and we're about to pull up to our job site, the deck site.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
It's a new development here in Ranson, West Virginia. Really strict when it comes to permits. Ranson is one of the really strictest city to pull permit in. I will say that. So let me move these trash cans a little, and I'll get closer to the curb. Get this trailer disconnected, then we have to go to the yard. It's really cold. Alright, trailer has been disconnected and dropped off. We're going to the yard now to pick up Kat and the machine to dig the footers. 22 degrees out, so I don't think much of the snow will melt today. But yesterday it was around 40 degrees, so we're pulling up to the yard right now. Kat should be here already. That's why I'm gonna come in so he can help me. And yep, I see Kat over there. My dad's here. He's about to leave to go pick up a load of wood for tomorrow's and Friday's fence job. This is the machine we're gonna take to try to dig those footers today. Man, I was literally right under it. Parked it, it moved up like 3 inches. All right, let's try this again. All right, let's try that. Oh man. That should be good. Should be good to go. Take this tarp off. ¿Ah?
De todas maneras viniste.
Pues,
Pensé que iba a estar así.
I don't know, man. A little gas. So we started doing an employee of the month, so hopefully the guys step it up a little. And anything I find we talk about? Nah. Oh my goodness. So cold. But yeah, like I said, I started doing an employee of the month. I'm gonna give a bonus of, I don't know, somewhere between $300 and $500 to the employee of the month. And it's just based off punctuality, getting here on time, not complaining or nagging, and just doing what you have to do. God damn.
You recorded?
Yes, sir. Cat's trying to get the employee of the month. Making sure the machine turns on, because it's been sitting for a while. Alright. Here. Coche ni me saludó, man. Cat's gonna get the machine ready. I don't remember if I had diesel, man. And I'm gonna go check out the whole layout. Y entonces, Marcos. Easy money. Aquí está todo acá.
Lo pegamos entonces.
Traen té, ¿no? Amigo, ¿cómo andas?
Very good.
Ahí traigo a mi amigo Catalino.
Ah, está bien.
Quiere ganarse el empleado del mes, yo creo. Llegó temprano, está haciendo papeleo ahí en la oficina.
¡Hala! Cuando llega ya va a estar con los prendidos.
Alright, holes are marked. I'm gonna help Kat put this auger on because
¿Y eso, bro?
¿Ah?
¿Y eso?
¿Qué?
¿Por qué te has despertado?
Nice. Nice. Ready, buddy? Alright, me and Kat are out of here. We are arriving at the yard. My dad's in front of us. Primo. We're gonna go get the, I guess we have time, no? To go get the other machine
We
from the
got an
house?
hour.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Ya me notó con la mirada.
He was looking for you, I think. Huh? I want to go schedule the inspection for their deck. So take care of that. Kat's gonna unhook that. I'm gonna go schedule the deck inspections for the footers.
¿Hicieron los hoyos?
Ya, pura piedra. No se hicieron casi. Ransom, no nos viste. By the way, this is our office. I just built these desks the other day with some plywood and some 4x4s. This is my desk over here, and this is Leslie's desk. And I built this small desk over here for Cat when he works out his quotes. And a shelf as well, because we had a mess here. You can see my desk is a mess. Always is. But I'm gonna schedule these inspections, then we're gonna go for the bobcat at the house. Cat took the trailer off. I scheduled that inspection. We're gonna go get the MT100 at the house. I had it there because I'm lazy and I didn't want to shovel snow the last storm. But we're playing with fire because it's 9:39 and I have an appointment here at the yard with a customer at 10:30, so we're kind of playing with fire. We just got to the house. We're about to connect this trailer and load up the bobcat.
What?
So what happened?
Oh.
Why is your phone on the ground?
It's camo, you can't see it.
Huh?
It's camo, you can't see it.
Oh, cat. Bullseye. We got it. It's nice having Cat, man. If not, I would have had to get off, get on, get off, get on. I might be going to pick up some stock tires for the truck. I'm trying to put some stocks on this truck. All right, open the garage. Let my dogs out. Go. Primo, sácala para acá, la troca, on the pavement. Man, we got lucky. We got lucky and then it fall. Man, that was close. Cat's reverse skills. Let's see how he does. Oh yeah, bring it back, buddy. Bring it back. It's pretty good. Okay. Okay, Cat. ¿Estás trabada? No. Primo!
¿Estás trabajando?
No, you gotta go like this.
Oh.
Damn, boy. You see what I'm dealing with? Just let him slide down. I guess I'll put him over there and we'll strap them on somehow. size. Allá, bájala ya, bro. A ver si baja. We should have strapped her down to begin with. Let me grab them. And then we'll put a strap to those hooks.
¿Más que agarre un poquito?
Sí. Is that? ¿Se va a agarrar?
Sí.
Looks loose, bro. Alright, let's try it again. Quítalo.
Arriba, prima.
We have the machine loaded. We had some issues, but we got past them. We should have seen that coming, though.
Allá está abajo, man.
We made some coffee. Now we can go to the yard and let them that customer. We are arriving at the yard, and my customer got there like 5 minutes ago. Ahí está. Alright, so I'm gonna go deal with him. Okay, I guess take the trailer off this truck so we can hook it on the flatbed. Right?
Okay.
Let me go deal with it. ¿Y entonces cómo estamos?
Enamorado.
¿Y eso? ¿El lugar? Sí. Esta es la... Yo soy Francisco. Usted conoció a Catalino, ese es mi primo.
Sí, sí.
Esta casa es de mi papá.
¿Es tu papá?
Ujú.
Bello el local.
Desde el 2003 vive aquí. I just got done with my customer. A lot of talking, so it took me a while. Cat needs help over here. He can't connect the trailer. Why you always need my help, man? You can't be independent. Where does it need to go?
That way, but you gotta go forward. It needs to go that much.
Tell me to stop. No. You want to call my dad and see if he's gonna put anything on there? You have your phone in the truck. Háblale, primo. I'm about to go see Lucas for a bit. Why are you making so much noise? Why are you making so much noise? You can leave if you want. Early day, 11:30. Let's see what he has to say to us, bro. Damn, he's aggressive, man. Mira. He's loading up for tomorrow's job. Why is he so mad? ¿Hay que echar el cemento también? What the hell? Look at him. Nah, anda muy agresivo, ¿no? Con la máquina.
Mijo, quítame esos tablas.
It's 12 o'clock. I'm about to head out. I'm gonna go buy some stock wheels for my truck. It's like they're like 3 hours away. Told the guy I was gonna meet him at 3:30, so I'm about to head out here pretty soon. I'll put some stocks on it with some grapplers. See what that looks like. Take these black tires off. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow, bro. You gonna get here on time?
Okay.
Huh?
I always get here. What time? 6?
6:30.
Oh.
Alright, let's go get those tires. I'm talking to my audience. Cat's going home. He had an early day today. 12:26, not bad. He's going home. I'm gonna go pick up these tires. We'll probably get back like at 6 or 7 is what I'm thinking or planning. But let's go do that and get it over with. I've been looking for some tires for a while now, and they're all far. A lot of them don't have lug nuts and caps, so I think this is a good deal. $900 for all 6 tires. The tires are pretty worn out, so I might have to get tires on it. But at least I'll have everything, the caps and the lug nuts. So let's go get those. So far this car ride has been really peaceful. Not much traffic, just a bunch of mountains going up and down. Pennsylvania's pretty nice actually, pretty peaceful. Alright, I stopped to pump some diesel. It's expensive, man. $4.11. Back home in West Virginia, it's $3.20, I believe. So almost a dollar more per gallon here. All right, we're about to go through this tunnel right through the Allegheny Mountain. right through the mountain. That's awesome. And this is where the tunnel ends. Out of nowhere, it just started snowing up here in the mountain. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right after we crossed that tunnel, like 5 minutes later. Now 20 minutes away, and it's coming down a good bit. A little bit thicker than before. Starting to stick to the vehicles too. We're about to pull up in about 3 minutes, and there's this nasty hill. Hasn't been plowed. This car is spinning out. You can barely see the road. It's not much, which is good. It's just covering the road. It is slippery. House number 229. So we got the tires. It's just the stock tires, all 6 of them. Your standard ones with the steel inner dually. Just loaded those up. It was a pain to load this up, but we have the caps as well with lug nuts, all for 900 bucks. I think it was a pretty fair price. But man, it was such a pain to get those where those were at. We had like rolling up a hill, and it had snow. There's ice coming down right now, so it's pretty slippery. And I'm cold. Now let's it says 3 hours and 12 minutes. Man, worth the drive though. I think it's a pretty good deal. This neighbor, he got mad. I pulled up, I thought that was the house, and he came out. He was like, "Don't park in my driveway, in front of my driveway," which I understand, but I thought that was the house where I was going. I was like, "I'm buying some tires here," and he's like, "No, it's not here." But he came out aggressive. Here we go, back through the tunnel again. We made it out safely again. Nice. So we're back in town. It's about 6:40. Like, we just passed the house here. But I just remember we had to go get that trailer from the deck job because I don't want it to sit there overnight. I forgot to tell my dad to go pick it up, so might as well go get it. It's already late. Maybe like 30 minutes more. So we're gonna go pick that up right now, and hopefully then it'll be the end of the day. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have the fence crew coming back, thank goodness, and we're gonna start a big job. It's like 400 linear feet. We're pulling into the development here in Ranson. That's where we were this morning. Hopefully the trailer's still there. It's 6:51. Moment of the truth. Yep, trailer's still here. So we got the trailer. Now let's head home. Finally. All right, guys, we just got home. 7:17. Pretty long day, but it was that 6-hour drive for the tires. But got home, spent some time with the fam, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. We'll see you guys then.